Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
We're going to work today on a drill that you can use it with music or without music, and it's just a very little moment of the figure.
This drill will include a boleo and a little kick. At the end, we're going to do it to the music, so you see how it works. So let's give it a try. Let us show you first how it'll look. One, bum, ba da ba ba bum, bum. Again, ba 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 bum. And from here you can resolve quick, slow, for example.
So we'll do a back step. We have a punteo or boleo. When he brings you to the front followers, we're using a kick. And instead of waiting with their feet together, legs together, we're using a kick in the front, breathe, lifting, and we repeat the same move in this case just to show you this moment. One, lifting, back, punteo, front, lifting, back, and punteo or resolution. So let's do this in a circle, and you can see it from different angles, and then we'll try with the music. Side and back, punteo, front, little kick to wait, rotating so we have different angles so you can see it. One, front, kick, back, front, kick, and last one, back, front, and kick, 2 feet together. Now let's try with the music.